actually ride like the super ride? This one, oh, never. Yours is pretty good too. Okay, let's see it is. Oh, that's
What are you guys doing in here? Huh? Oh, so good. Good boy. Good boy. Are you guys in line to go outside? Like, what are you guys doing? Wow.
shout out to.
I'll shout out to.
I couldn't have done this without my team.
Whoa. Is it good?
이거 왜 이렇게 힘드네?
오. Where's the bug?
없어 이제.
Whoa. Now what are you doing?
Getting rocks.
Why? What are you gonna do with those rocks?
I need to.
For what?
You needed to upgrade your tools.
Oh wow. Join the crew here.
What are you doing?
Oh.
They're all like individual pieces today.
집에 가자.
얘가 올라가네?
아니야, 얘 못해.
Good boy.
Good boy. Where are we going? We have to go to the yarn section. 요거? Because it's like $4 each, right? Got yarn.
Yeah.
Alright. Let's go. Oh, I love the smell of Home Depot. I think we'll do the green bags. Yes, we'll make green bags. Glad they had this though.
I think it's gonna be cute.
These purples look like sky, right?
Yeah,
This-
over here.
Okay. Sky인가? Hello. I'm on my way to a grocery store. I'm just gonna pick up some bread. We're just gonna do a quick, easy lunch, I think, before my sister and I head out to a cafe. I'm just gonna be editing at the cafe while she's working. It's been pretty eventful in terms of like spending a lot of time with family. I think the remainder of the time I'm here, I will have a lot more of these car chats and drives because I'm gonna be spending a lot more time alone now. I've been meeting a lot of old friends from my childhood, so that's also been interesting to kind of meet them as adults, because I feel like there's a huge gap between the person that I knew before when we met during that childhood and then meeting as full-grown adults and kind of not being part of the in-between events that led up to kind of who we are now. Yeah, I'm like just relearning more about the people in my life and just learning to accept and love kind of what I'm seeing now too. So I think that's part of growing up as well. But yeah, I am going to take us to the grocery store now. I'm just gonna get bread, just sour bread. All right. 밑에 있어.
내 주려다 말았다. 너 밥 다 안 먹었어. 어? 오늘은 했지. 야. 그러니까. 야, 롤백.
The fumes. Also, it's 22. Because the hole also like looks big.
It does. That's why you get confused, I think. I definitely have a tighter crochet style though. Like when I do anything.
Tangled. Anger. She's angry.
I'm sorry. Excuse my language.
No. Finished the body of this crochet bag. So it's my first time using a material that's not yarn for crochet, but I really do like it. Can't tell if you can see that it has a little bit of a red and blue speckle inside. Just have to add the straps now, but it'll look like this. The past few days it got cold again and it was a little bit rainy. Nothing new for Seattle. So having the sun out, we're just sitting on the patio enjoying ourselves. My sister and I were just having a crochet session out here. It's just a charger. It's okay, you can go. Oh my gosh. It looks like he's being charged. Just booting up the doggy.
God.
Oh yeah, you can go. Why are you like this? Morning. I'm gonna just go check out some thrift stores today. Going to an area where I haven't really been to those thrift stores. They're all local and non-profit, so we'll see what we can find there. I just think that Value Village, Goodwill has become so expensive these days, so I don't think it's worth it going there. So I decided I'm going to check out some new ones that are smaller, and typically those ones are also a lot more affordable. We'll see what we find today, but the weather is amazing again, so I just couldn't stay home. I needed to get out of the house. Not sure if you can see my shirt really well, but I had thrifted a few days ago And this was one of the tops that I had purchased. Let me see if I can get a better angle. But it's kind of this like asymmetrical top. And it has kind of like this detail with the fabric folded over. But I thought it was so pretty. I got it for like $3. And I'm also wearing some thrifted jeans that I also purchased on the same trip. But yeah.
Okay, no worries.
I just got back from my second thrift store. I only found one item at the first thrift store, which was this little top here. And I was gonna go to one more, but they were actually closed when I got there. This second one that I went to, it is super affordable. So I really only paid a total of $7 for 3 clothing pieces and 1 plate. Look at how cute this plate is. It's like so summery. I'm imagining like berries or fruit on here. I also got this t-shirt that says Levi's on it. And it's like a light army green. It does have a little small hole here, but what I'm thinking is I could put some embroidery on this shirt because it is looking a little plain. And I also purchased this cute kind of shirt jacket. It's like a mini gingham. And then I also got, lastly, a skirt. But just like a stripe, gray. It has kind of this fold over. All right, heading home now.
What are you looking at? What are you looking at?
Oh! It's just the environment.